switching system reliability is hard to analyze due to dependence. This switching system has a standby pump whose failure depends on how long it's been in a standby state, which in turn depends on when the primary pump fails, and if the switching valve still works when it does. Random hands of failure can simulate both components and switching system times to failure, but the equation that calculates switching system reliability is truly horrible and can only be solved by skilled computer programmers. If only we could have the random hands of failure simulate thousands of data points for the whole system to create a smooth reliability curve like this. It turns out we can with Monte Carlo Simulation. This technique is named after Monaco's Monte Carlo Casino because it also simulates outcomes in games of chance. Monte Carlo Simulation replaces the need for horrible equations with just 5 steps. The first step of Monte Carlo Simulation involves modeling how the system fails based on component failure. Second, we model how components fail with probability distributions. Third, we randomly simulate each component's time to failure. Fourth, we simulate system time to failure based on simulated component time to failure. And finally, we use simulated system times to failure to generate reliability information.